Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum my all YouTube family. Welcome to our YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope you are very fit and fine. Today I want to share a very beautiful and stunning videos. Are good looking designs. If you guys are interested in my videos in my channel, and these are creative and perfect videos, are you there? And this video is all about the crochet skirts designs. Crochet skirts are used in different patterns, different designs and elegant videos in attractive things. You will be amazing and attractive designs. Are you there? Are elegant videos. If any videos related to any pattern, related to any fantastic designs, and keep more attractive and stunning videos. Are you there? In gorgeous designs, in creative and perfect videos, just looking like a fantastic and immature designs. For totally designs are used in different patterns and different things. You will be amazing and different topics. I'm waiting for these comments. For skirts are used in many parties, many functions, especially for crochet designs. May Allah Almighty keep you happy, keep your home in abundance, and may you continue to enjoy my video like this. Amen. Like this stunning and perfect videos. I requested all of you to subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon and hit the button of all notification. All the new members, all the new subscribers will be amazing and perfect videos. Are good looking designs in different things, different gorgeous designs. And if you want any videos related any patterns related to fantastic designs, so let's go. Inshallah we will meet again in the next video. Do not forget to subscribe if you guys are interested in my videos in my channel. So take care. Bye bye. Allah.